Hey, what's up everybody? So today I want to talk about Amazon sales rank and what it really means for sellers. So a lot of beginner sellers, they look at those tables that say the top 1% of this category is 100,000 in rank, so you really want to stay in the top 1%, when that's not really true. When you're comparing categories, video games and toys are going to sell a lot faster than like home goods and kitchen and shoes. So 1% in video games is probably like 5,000 rank, but really when you're comparing things, probably like a 20,000 rank in video games is comparable to a 1% rank in another category. So you really just have to know the sales velocity of certain categories before you start trusting those rank tables. And I don't even use them. I just look at the ranks. Keepa is a huge tool that I use. So it is like 10 or 15 bucks a month, but it's going to tell you how many times it's sold in the past month, which is really nice. Especially when you're buying a lot of bulk stuff, you want to know how many times the item's sold in the past month, so you know how much to buy to keep your inventory for at least a month. So I would not trust rank tables. I'll just kind of go through categories and tell you what I would send in to Amazon. So you really have to know, is the item in stock? Is someone selling it FBA right now? And what is the price? Is it overpriced? So you have to take those items into account whenever you are sending something into Amazon. So if any of those variables are true, then really when you send something in, the sales rank is going to drop because someone is now selling it on FBA, which would be you. It's now correctly priced, and it's in stock now. So the sales rank is going to go down whenever it sells, and you're probably going to sell something, probably going to sell a little bit quicker than what the rank actually signifies. So in books, I normally don't send anything past a couple million because I don't do a lot of books. I've just had trouble with books and them selling. In the past, I've sent in books that sold for a couple dollars, or like I got a couple dollars profit, and they were around 2 million, and I would send it in. That's not really something you want to do. You want to send in like a $20 book if it's over 2 million. So video games, I probably would send anything under 50,000. Depending on what the price was. If it was selling for over 100, I might go up to like 75,000. It just depends. And toys, I might go up to 1 million in rank. With some of the Hot Wheels and stuff that I sell, with some like collectible toys, I've sold stuff over 1 million rank before in toys. Especially during Q4, if you have those like high ranked toys, they're definitely going to sell during that time. So I wouldn't really worry about the rank if it's in Q4. So those are really the main categories that I sell in. Probably DVDs, I might do 150 to 200,000. VHS the same way. Don't really sell CDs anymore. Clothing, I might do 300,000, depending on the price. And that's probably about it. That probably gives you enough information to get started on it. And it also depends on how much capital you have, because you don't really want to get money tied up in things that are going to take a long time to sell. So that's one thing to take into account. So that's really it for right now, and I'll see everybody next time.